Hey, it's me, Donnie. Welcome back to my channel, and today I'm coming to you guys with another cheap luxury unboxing. This week's brand is actually Christian Dior. And doing so many of these and realizing these are fun videos to do, but you have to be mindful about how you spend your money, because I obviously have holy grail items that I'm saving up for. So I keep that in mind when I do these now. And with that in mind, this was actually slightly compulsive buy, only because I was on Instagram and one of the accounts that I was following actually mentioned this particular item that I'm unboxing today. And here it is. This is the Dior Addict Can't Get Enough Shine collection. If you care, here is the box that it came in. Nothing to write home about. I bought this specific item actually from Saks Fifth Avenue. It came in an unmarked box. It also came with a credit for some wine from nakedwines.com. If they want to give me free wine, then just give me a card for free wine. And then I also got one for HelloFresh, and it's 10 free meals with purchase. I'm considering this one only because I've been wanting to try HelloFresh, but to be honest with you, I probably won't, because again, just give me the free stuff. I just spent a pretty penny. Give me the free stuff. So yeah, this is the item in question, and you know, without further ado, let's go ahead and unbox it. So this is the packaging. Give you a nice 360 panorama, nice shiny box there. So I don't know if y'all can see already, but this is the case that the lipsticks come in. And I'll go ahead and slide this out, and this is what intrigued me, this clutch, this case here. And yeah, let's go ahead and get into this. So this is like a little kind of clutch that this comes with, a zip case, okay, cosmetics case, clutch, whatever you want to call it. I would carry this more as a clutch, probably on a date night, since it's pink. Living for the color. The color is cute, girly, feminine. It's got the little Dior D with the star, just like the, you know, bags. Gives you kind of that saddlebag vibe too, which is kind of cool. And then as we open it here, we have a big old mirror, all right, which we're gonna get out of the way. And here are the lipsticks. I did see swatches online, and this did at least look on the surface like it would be brown girl friendly. So a big part of the reason why I bought this is because I also went, okay, well, I've never tried a Dior lippy, and one of the cheapest things on the Dior lip website are their lip products. So we'll go ahead and give these a try, and then we'll get into the case. So if you're curious and have never seen it, you probably have if you're into this sort of content. This is what the Dior unit carton looks like, okay? It's this nice chromed out unit, and then if you're wondering where is the top and the bottom, this is actually the bottom piece, because when you pull it out, there's your lip product. And I don't know if you can see this, I don't know if my camera will get it, but each of the lipsticks comes with the Christian Dior logo stamped on the top. Like, you get about the same amount of product with Chanel. Go to put it back in, that happened. I don't know if you can see, but there's kind of some runoff, a little bit of excess. Alright, so yeah, let's try these. This is shade 976. And right away, one swipe is quite a bit of color. I will say that the formula is very creamy, and yeah, it's shiny for sure. I did a horrible job applying that. So the next shade I'm going to try is shade 535. And this one actually has like flecks of like glitter in it, it looks like. Okay. Like a champagne color. Kind of looks ashy, so I might line this with brown. In person, it's not bad, but on camera, I feel like it looks like more beige than it actually is. Like in person, it's actually really natural looking in person. It's funny, like how that's not translating on camera. Like kind of vanilla scent isn't bad. They definitely smell like dessert. This is 667 Up Close. This one's a little more solid than the last one. And definitely a lot more pink than the first shade we tried. Interesting. I'm not sure how I feel about this one. And then last but not least, we have shade 260, shade 260. And then here is what it looks like up close. Yeah, no, that one's a little ashy, I'm not gonna lie. Let's see what it looks like in person. Again, in person, these don't look, it's funny how they're picking up on camera, and then like when I look at it in person, it's like not so bad. Yeah, the second shade and the fourth shade are actually not that bad. It's these berries that I'm a little concerned about actually, but I'm gonna play around with them. I will definitely probably incorporate using liners with them. Definitely wanted to try the Christian Dior lips, but a bigger reason why I wanted this was because of this gorgeous case. Now, here's my phone, and as we know, this is the iPhone 11. I think I've told y'all that before. And a rule that I have for myself, which I need to do that tag, my handbag deal breakers, my luxury deal breakers, but a rule that I always have for myself is that any purse I buy, any clutch I buy, it has to be able to fit my phone because my phone's so freaking big. So if we take a look at this, you see that this insert pops out, honey, and we have ourselves a nice case. And and guess what fits inside, people? The phone. So yeah, this is a certifiable, you know, clutch option. All right, so I went ahead and grabbed a bunch of random things, and I'm gonna look and see what we can fit in here. So on a date night, obviously I would have my phone, so I have that in here. You know, your girl is living her best budget luxury life, so I'd also include my Gucci brow pencil, which fits in there snug but goes in. I'd probably also have some eyeliner. Here's some like eyeliner from NYX that can fit in there. Obviously we, you know, throw in Dior lips, so yeah, we'll throw 535 in there. Can't forget an SLG. I have this Coach one, so that's in there too. Okay, and a mascara. This one is the Milk Kush mascara. All right, let's see where we're gonna put that, or if it fits. Let's see. Actually, we'll put the Dior lip like that, and then we'll put the Kush mascara there. All right, so this is all the stuff that I could probably fit in here comfortably. And then close it up. All right, and it's not stuffed. Look at that. Okay. So, you know, we got our money in here, we got our phone, we have a lip, we have a bunch of stuff to touch up with. Well, I ended up getting mine from Saks, and it was $152. And a big part of the reason why I got it from Saks is because they have free 2 to 3 day shipping. I ordered this on Sunday, got it today, which is Wednesday. Also too, something that I didn't mention when I was showing y'all the lips is that the actual unit carton's kind of color shifting and holographic. I don't know if my camera is picking it up or not, but like I was laying, you know, the lipsticks back in the clutch, since I'm not going to be using it as a clutch for a while, because again, your girl's staying at home and staying safe. They like color shift, and they're like really cool. Like Sometimes they look clear, other times they look like this cool turquoise and purple iridescent color. But yeah, really cool unit cartons. So far, probably the coolest ones that I've seen from any luxury brand. So that's super fun and fresh. This is it in my hand. There's even a part of me that's like, I wonder if I could turn this to a wallet on chain. There is a gap underneath here. So I don't know. I'm going to be plotting on this and seeing if it's possible for me to add a chain to this. If not, it's okay. I could just use this as a clutch or as a case. Isn't she cute? Isn't she adorable? Just so you can see it. That's how it would look. Cute, giving you that saddlebag, you know, vibe. And they have, Christian Dior already has clutches like this. So the fact that like you buy the lipsticks and you get this is like genius. And this one is priced for about $690. And this one is significantly larger than what is actually on the website, and you get the same aesthetic. I would rather spend $152 versus $690 plus tax. But yeah, that concludes today's unboxing and review. Let me know what you guys think of the lips. Let me know what you guys think of this whole clutch case scenario. Was this dumb on my part? Was it not? Are you team Christian Dior or not? Yeah, till next video. Peace.